Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode in Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Through Windows Settings. 1. Open the Start menu. 2. Search for and select Settings. 3. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update in the left-hand navigation pane, usually at the bottom. 4. Scroll down and select Advanced Options. 5. Under Advanced Options, scroll down further and click on Recovery. 6. Locate the Advanced Startup section and click Restart Now. 7. Confirm by clicking Restart Now again. Method 2. Using the Shift key and restart. 1. Open the Start menu. 2. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. 3. While holding Shift, click the power icon. 4. Select Restart from the options. This method will also boot your computer directly into recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.